Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update that is ZenQ off campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title it is test engineer, and the experience needed for the job role it is for freshers, and the job location or the work location it is Hyderabad, that is India, and the salary or the city seat is 3 lakhs per annum. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for BA or BTech or MC or MSc graduates are eligible to apply, and also MTech graduates are eligible. And the branch or the specialization, it is for computer science, electronics and communication, so information technology as well as triple E, and mechanical as well as civil, so any other technical branches are eligible to apply. And the batch or the year of pass out, it should be 2020 or 2021, and the percentage criteria it should be minimum 65% or more than that, or it can be 6.5 CGPA throughout in 10th 12th as well as in graduation, that is throughout the academics, and there should be no active backlogs to apply for this job role. So the next thing is the technical skills that are needed for the job role. As they are hiring for the test engineer, you need to have knowledge of testing, so that is manual testing concepts, as well as you need to be able to write the test cases as well as design techniques, and also knowledge of SDLC model, that is software development life cycle, various stages in that, and also defect life cycle. And apart from that, so it is good to have knowledge of if you have bit knowledge of testing skills in either web or it can be cloud based applications or mobile based applications, so it's an added advantage for the job role. And if you have done any of the certification or the training on testing, so it is more advantage. So then coming to the selection process, there will be four different rounds. So the first round is the online test, and the next one is the technical interview 1 and the technical interview 2. So once you clear all the technical rounds, there will be last round which is the HR interview. So these are the rounds included in the selection process, and the salary structure it depends from both freshers to experience. So for the fresher it is 3 LPA, and for the experienced graduates it can be more than that. So then coming to the test pattern, so the duration of the test it is for 1 hour 30 minutes. So the first round there will be aptitude questions, so in which there will be MCQ related to quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning as well as verbal, and after that there will be C programming, or you can say it's a coding. So you need to complete both these sections in 1 hour 30 minutes. And after that there will be essay writing, in which the topic will be given and you need to write the essay within 15 minutes. So the duration of the essay writing it is for 15 minutes. So this is the oral test pattern for the GenQ, that is for test engineer. So then coming to the application link, so the test link it is through the Darwin box. So first thing is you need to, like if you already have the account, you can directly log in or you can directly sign in through your Google account. So after that you can quickly go and apply for the job role. So in that you need to, like within the openings you can choose the test engineer role, and after that you can start your application, in which you need to fill, first thing is you need to upload your updated resume, and you need to fill your basic details, and after that your percentage criteria, year of pass out, everything, and you can submit the application form. So once you apply you can view your application in that portal, and after that you will also get the, like successfully applied for the job role, you'll also get the mail for that. So the link will be provided in the description, you can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.